Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you the next time this car breaks.
Well, for this car that might be soon, that might not be. You never know.
We're stranded. The serpentine belt blew. Like, I think this car is cursed or something. See, there's the belt. There's some more pieces of it. So, well, Bob's your uncle.
Fixing his BMW 154.
So, quick update. I managed to pull the broken parts of the belt out. I have no power steering or anything, but I figure something must have seized up. But I think I have enough battery power to make it home. So that's exactly what I'm gonna try to do. My battery light is on because the alternator is not working. But I figure I have to drive across the city, but I think my battery will make it. Another thing I was thinking is the car will drive fine because the water pump is electric, thank God. Other than that, all it is like the AC compressor is powered by the belt, some pulleys, the power steering pump, and the alternator, and really that's it. So yeah, I think I'll be okay. We're home, we're alive.
And we're well.
We're well. And we saved the tow bill. So for a little bit of reference of what happened, thank you, Liam, for being my guardian angel.
Yeah, I just want to make sure you got home safe.
So I'll tell you what happened.
You found out and figured it out.
Well, no, I don't know, but I was following you into like South Common, and as we turned over like the bridge, I started hearing like a weird ticking noise. And I was like, what the hell is that sound? And I was like, Amy, do you hear that? And she's like, no. And then as we left the Cineplex, she's like, okay, I kind of hear that now. And then we're driving, and all of a sudden you just hear it like blow. Like it's like, it's like starts screaming, and Amy's like,
Then you lost your power steering?
yeah, I lost the power steering, battery light came on, and I was like, oh, I know exactly what just happened. Yeah. Trusty old turd. So this is the aftermath of my belt. And there is still chunks stuck in the alternator and some of the other pulleys. If you don't know, these N54s are known for catastrophically failing the motor blowing up. So the belt getting sucked behind your crank pulley and into your engine is worst case scenario. Here you'll see a picture of what the belt pieces look like when they get stuck to your oil pump, which can actually cause your engine to be starved of oil, and then you throw a bearing. Now this is worst case scenario. In my case, I guess I got lucky and I just happened to notice it quickly enough and pull the belt up. So two ways to prevent this from happening. There is a crank guard you can purchase that prevents the belt from entering your seal. But realistically, if your maintenance is all up to date and you're on top of it, you shouldn't have an issue with that. Some people I have seen where the belt does get sucked into their engine, they actually go ahead, they remove the valve cover, the oil pan, and they're able to save their engine by removing the pieces of belt. So I guess what happens is usually your oil filter housing gasket or oil cooler gasket will leak onto the belts, which I have actually previously had that problem, and I've already replaced those gaskets, and the tensioners and the belt is brand new. So as to why the belt failed, I'm not too sure. But today I will be digging into the car, removing the fan shroud, removing the crank pulley, and seeing if my engine's okay. I have went ahead and removed all my pulleys. I've checked all my pulleys too. Everything is spinning freely. My alternator's good. My idlers are good. The AC compressor and the power steering pump are spinning good. Additionally, I heard that bad motor mounts can cause the engine to shake and then cause the power steering pump pulley to contact the subframe and shred your belt, but I know that is not the case. So I went ahead and removed my crank pulley to see if we got any past the seal, and it looks like we are going to be okay. I don't see any belt sticking out of there. The seal is still intact. So I went ahead and got a new belt. I also replaced both of my idlers, as they were really the only questionable parts I could find. I removed the crank pulley, and the front seal looks fine. Luckily, no belt got sucked behind there and sucked into the seal. The seal looks good, so I think I'm just gonna run with it. I'm gonna start the car, really check out the belts here, see if I see anything odd, and see what happens. So I've got my safety glasses on. I'm gonna start this thing. So another quick update here. It's been a few weeks since I fixed the belt on the BMW. I haven't had any problems. I've been checking it out, making sure it's not getting worn out in any ways, no noises. So that is good. Additionally, I found out some more information about why your belt could possibly blow. One of those that I did not include in the video is obviously, your alternator could be seizing or something. But you could also have an issue with actually misalignment of your pulleys. So I heard it's kind of common for the power steering pump pulley to be pushed out like 1/12 of an inch, and then that'll actually scrape or cause your belt to run diagonally and then prematurely wear it. Additionally, I heard your vibration dampener or your harmonic balancer can fail and it will move side to side, and that will also cause your belt to prematurely fail. But so far so good. Been tried and true so far, so I can't really complain. With that being said, thanks for tuning in.